Hi, good day everyone. So, our subject is ES209 or Advanced Engineering Mathematics. So, atong objective sa karon nga discussion is i-review nato ang derivatives, derivative notation, antiderivatives or integration, then lastly is ang degree and order of differential equations. So, first, what is differential equation? Differential equation is an equation which contains derivatives or differentials is called a differential equation. So, sa iya pa lang pasabot is tanan daw derivatives, tanan equation nga na derivatives either first order or second order, ginatawag na siya og differential equations. So, unsa man pud ng derivatives? So, derivatives, if an increment of change of y of a function which is y is equals to f of x is divided by change of x, the quotient gives the average rate of change of y with respect to x in the interval from x to change of x, which is symbolically mo niyang formula. So, kaning definition niya mura ni pasabot niya. Change of y over change of x is just equals to the function of x plus change of x minus f of x over change of x. So, example, na given nga y is equals to x squared. So, pangitaon nimo ang change of y. So more ni formulas. Balik ko na to. Change of y over change of x is just equal to f of x plus change of x minus f of x over change of x. So, next is the solution. So, given nga na kay y is equals to x squared, which is y is just equals to f of x, then x just is equals to, mali niyo siya there. No part. Excuse me. So, balik ko na lang na akong sulat. So, y is equals to f of x is just equals to katong x squared ni given. So, solution. So, substitute lang natong mga value. Change of y over change of x is just equals to x plus change of x squared minus f of x, which is y, is equals to x squared. So, minus x squared over change of x. And then, next is, ito ani siyang, using FOIL method, makakuha taog, x times x is just equals to x squared plus 2 times x times change of x is equals to 2 times x times change of x plus change of x times change of x is just equals to change of x squared minus x squared over change of x. So, next thing to do is pwede na nato ma-simplify. X squared minus x squared is just equals to 0. So, ang mabilin is 2x change of x plus change of x squared over change of x. So, next is pwede na to ma-cancel out ang change of x. So, change of x 2x times change of x over change of x is just equals to 2x na lang mabilin. 2x plus x squared over change of x squared over change of x is isa lang ka change of x. So, as change of x approaches to 0, change of x is just equals to 0. So, cancel out na nato. Mayroon siyang 0. So, ang answer na lang is change of y over change of x is just equals to 2x. Given nga y is equals to x squared. So, other solution is, kung dili mo ganahag solve gamit change of y over change of x, napanay other solution. So, muna ni siya answer. Change of y over change of x is just equals to 2x. So, the other solution is, muning familiar sa inyo ha. If given y, same lang yapon, y is equals to x squared. So, dy over dx is equals to d over dx times y, which is y is equals to x squared. So, using the derivative of x of n, which is the power rule. So, kung d over dx times x to the power of n, which is n is any constant, so, ang iyang derivative ana is n times x to the power of n minus 1. So, if na kay x squared, ang imuha na lang dy over dx is equals to 2x. So, pila lang ka step? 1 step, then 2 step, nakuha na din mo ang iyang derivative. So, mas easy na siya nga way. So, other example is, given nga, find dy over dx if given nga y is equals to square root of x. So, first solution, or solution 1, change of y over change of x is equals to, diba, f times x plus change of x minus f of x. So, substitute lang nimo ang value sa, so, mahimo na din siyang square root of change of x plus change of, so, repeat, square root of x plus change of x minus square root of x over change of x. So, muna ni imo using substitution, muna ni imong nakuha. Then, afterward is, kani siya is pwede nimo siya i-rationalize rationalize using radicals. So, square root of x plus change of x minus square root of x over change of x is can be multiplied by square root of x plus change of x. Ilisan lang din nimo ang iyang operator to plus square root of x over square root of x plus change of x plus square root of x. So, kung i-equate nimo siya, mahimo ra gyapon ni siyang 1. Pero, para makuha na to ang, para ato ning ma-simplify, so, ato ni siyang i-multiply. So, makakuha ta og, using full method lang gyapon. Ana, like, x, square root of x plus change of x, multiplied nimo sa x, sa square root of x plus change of x, then, times plus dayon square root of x. So, mananing siyang solution. So, nakakuha kag square root of x plus change of x squared plus square root of x times square root of x plus square root plus change of x minus square root of x times square root of x plus change of x minus square root of x squared over, multiply nimo ang denominator, change of x times square root of x plus change of x plus square root of x. So, muna ni siya. Over, so, ang solution na din is square root of x plus square root of x times square root of x plus change of x minus square root of x times square root of x plus change of x is just equals to 0. So, ang mabilin is square root of x plus change of x squared minus square root of x squared. So, eraser. So, dili na to siya i-simplify diretso. So, equals to diba? Kani siya is mahimo ni siyang 1/2 square, mahimo siyang x plus change of x. Kung dili na to gamiton ang iyahang radical nga sign, mahimo ni siyang times 1/2 to the power of 2. So, mahimo ni siyang x plus change of x to the power of 1/2 squared nimo plus minus x 1/2 squared, then change of x times square root of x plus change of x plus square root of x. So, kung mag-add ka og exponent to exponent, ay mag-multiply ka og exponent to exponent, ang iyang rule ana is mag-i-add lang na nimo. So, excuse me. So, 1/2 times 2 is just equals to 1. Then, so mahimo na lang ni siyang equals to x plus change of x minus x. Then, copy lang din ang denominator. Change of x over square root of x plus change of x, then plus square root of x. Afterwards is x minus x cancel out since 0. Then ang mabilin is change of x over change of x over change of x times square root of x plus change of x plus square root of x. So, makancel out po ninyo ang change of x. So, ang mabili na lang is 1 over cancel out, cancel out, cancel out, cancel out. So, ang mabilin is 1 over square root of x plus change of x plus square root of x. So, if change of x is approaches to 0, muna siya ang change of y over change of x. So, if change of x is approaches to 0, so equals lang gyapon na siya sa 0. So, change of x just equals to 0. So, kung i-substitute na to nga 0 sa change of x, mahimo na lang siyang 1 over square root of x plus square root of x. Or we can say nga 1 over 2 to the power 2 times square root of x. So, muna din ni atong final solution. Sorry. So, muna ni atong final solution. So, other method or other solution is katong simpler using power rule. So, next is so, muna ni siya change of y over change of x is just equals to 1 over 2 times square root of x. So, solution 2 is using power rule. Given gyapon is y is equals to square root of x. So, dy over dx is just equals to d over dx times y, which is y is equals to square root of x. So, equals to d over dx times ato ang x to the power of 1/2. So, kung atong kuaning square root of x is just equals to x to the power of 1/2. Then, n nato is 1/2. So, using formula of derivative of power rule, so n times x to the power of n minus 1 is 1/2 over x to the power of 1/2 minus 1 is just equals to 1/2 times x to the power of negative 2. So, to eliminate kaning negative 2, pwede ra ni siya nga ipaubos sa x si x. So, mahimo siyang 1/2 over square root of x. So, dy over dx is equals to 1 over 2 times square root of x. So, mas simpler ni siya nga method compare atong mag-change of y over change of x. So, I think mas nasabtan na ni siya karon ang derivative o I think familiar na pud mi ani since nag-agi na mog calculus. So, maghatag ko assignment para mas ma-practice pa siya. So, find dy over dx and change of y over change of x. Given nga number 1, x squared minus 5 times x over y. Then, number 2 is y is equals to square root of x plus 1. Then, kani pwede ninyo i-submit sa ako ang email. Ako lang sigurong i-send akong email sa ato ang group chat. Then, pwede rabis kan asa nga paper. Then, picturean ninyo with solution ha. Dili lang directly nga answer. Dapat na i-solution. Then, send ninyo sa akong email. So, proceed na ta sa derivative notation. So, basin galibog pagyapon mo unsay pasabot sa dy over dx versus d over dx. So, ato nang i-compare and contrast. So, given nga y is equals to x cubed plus 4x squared. So, ang iyang derivative ana dy derivative of y in terms of x or dy over dx is equals to 3x squared plus 8x. So, kabalo na taan na using power rule. Pero, ang d over dx times y, which is x cubed plus 4x squared, is d over dx simply gaingon siya kung unsa dapat imong buhaton. Pasabot ani is gusto niya nga i-derive nimo ang y in terms of x. Ang dy over dx is simply muna siya ang answer sa derivation. Sumulang na siya ang ilang kalainan sa dy over dx ug d over dx. So, pero pariha na siya. Ang d over dx lang kay ginasugo kaniya nga i-derive na siya in terms sa x. I-derive nimo ang y in terms sa x. Ang dy over dx is ang derive na nga answer. So, muna na siyang 3x squared plus 8x. So, mara na siya, dy over dx is just equals to d over dx times y. So, next is the antiderivatives. So, antiderivatives, it is the process of determining a function whose derivative is known is called antidifferentiation, and the required function is called an antiderivative of the given function. So, basically, baliktad lang siya nga kuan sa derivatives from iyahang word nga antiderivative. So, muna siyang kibali mo gyapon ni siyang ginatawag og integration. So, example, find the integral of 3x minus 2 to the power of 2 dx. So, mani siya, integral of 3x minus 2 squared to the times dx. So, first is, atuan ni siyang using full method, so pwede natin siya i-convert to 3x squared 3x minus 2 squared is pwede rin na siya isulat into 9x squared minus 12x plus 4, which is 3x naka-squared, so yung equivalent is 9x squared minus 2 times 3x times negative 2. So 2 times 3x is 6x times 2 is negative 12x. Then negative 2 squared is just equals to 4 times dx. So, using power rule ni siya sa antiderivative, the integral of x to the power of n dx is just equals to x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. So, equals to, given niya is, ang iyahang, so, equals to 3 times x cubed minus 6x squared plus 4x plus c. So, plus c is any constant na siya. So, kung sa derivative, example number 2. So, find the antiderivative or the integral of x plus 1 times 2 minus x dx. So, using full method, x times 2 is 2x minus x times x is equals to x squared plus 1 times 2 is 2 minus 1 times negative x is negative x times dx. So, mahiwa din siyang negative x squared plus x plus 2 dx. Then, using power rule is, using atong rule nga, x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 is equals to negative x cubed over 3 plus x squared over 2 plus 2x plus c. So, ihatag na ko ang, na ako'y notes ani sa antiderivative, ihatag lang na ko ang notes, then maghatag ko assignment na po 2 items gyapon. So, find the integral of 3x minus 2 squared dx. Then, number 2 is dx over x cubed. Then, submit lang gyapon sa email. Iusa lang ninyo sa katong assignment sa derivative. Iusa lang ninyo sa antiderivative na assignment. Then, ang deadline ani is next Saturday, I think March 6. So, mag-start na ta sa ato ang 4 objective. Ika-4th nga objective for today's discussion, which is identifying order and degree of differential equation. So, first, what is order? Order is, the order of a differential equation is defined as the same as the order of the highest derivative involved in the equation. So, example is the second derivative of y over dx squared plus m squared y is equals to 0. So, ang iyahang highest, base sa iyang definition is, the order of a differential equation is defined as the same as the order of the highest derivative. So, pinaka-highest nga derivative. So, kani, kabaluta nga, iyahang order is ikaduha. So, it is second, ikaduha siya giderive. So, muning pinaka-highest nga order. So, order is equals to 2 or second order. So to repeat, the order of a differential equation is defined as the same as the order of the highest derivative involved in the equation. So, kung kinsa tong sa equation, kung kinsa tong naay pinaka-highest nga derivative, like naman tayo first order derivative mo ng dy over dx, second order of derivative d squared y over dx squared. So, kung kinsay pinaka-highest sa ilaha, diba? Second derivative. So, ang order ato is mo ng equivalent sa pinaka-highest. So, for example, maghatag na lang ko example. So, for example, kani, d squared y over dx squared, which is second derivative of y in terms of x, plus m squared y is equals to 0. So, sa kani nga equation, ang highest order sa derivative is second, diba? So, since ikaduha niya giderive. So, order is just equals to 2. So, other example is x times dy over dx minus y squared is equals to x to the power of 4. So, dy over dx is, kaisa raman niya giderive, so 1 ang order. Kaning exponent, by the way, is dili na siya mo ang order. Kay lahi ng exponent sa dy over dx, so lahi po ng giderive niya. So, other example is, example number 3, x plus y dx plus x squared y cubed dy is equals to 0. So, we need to find the highest order of derivatives. So, para makita nato is, kailangan nato i-equate into dy over dx. So, transpose ay, divide nato ang equation into x plus y. So, ang mabili na lang is, i-divide na tong equation into, so, i-divide na to ang equation para makuha na tong dy over dx into x plus y. So, mahimo na siyang dy over dx is equals to negative x squared times y cubed over x plus y, which is ang highest order of derivative is dy over dx, or order is equals to 1. Then other example is r times y double prime is equals to 1 plus y prime to the power of 2 times 3 times to the power of 3 halves. So, ato ni siyang y prime is just equals to d squared y over dx squared. So, r times d squared y over dx squared is equals to 1 plus dy over dx squared times to the power of 3 halves. So, ang pinaka-highest order sa derivative ani is kanila gyapong d squared y over dx squared. So, order niya is 2. So, let's proceed with the degree definition. So, ang degree definition, the degree of a differential equation, or DE, is defined as the same as the degree of or power of the highest ordered derivative. After all, the equation has been rationalized and cleared of fractions with respect to all derivatives. So, diri ra gyapon ta magkuha og example sa gikuan nato sa order. So, ang pasabot niya sa degree is kung kinsa tong naay highest order, diba? Kani man atong sa first example, kani ang naay highest order, kaning second derivative of y. So, ang iyahang degree pud ana is kung naa ba na siya exponential value. So, since ang iyang exponential value ana is 1, so degree is just equals to 1. So, just equals to 1. So, sa other example, so, kani, ang iyahang degree is 2. Nganong 2 man? Kaya, diba, dy over dx, iyahang order is 1 since first derivative lang siya. Pero, na siya exponential value nga 2. So, degree is equals to 2. So, the other example nga, kani, dy over dx is equals to negative x squared times y cube over x plus y. Iyang order is 1. So, nana siya imaginary nga degree pud na 1. Then, sa kaning number 4 is, ang highest order niya is kaning kaning second derivative of y, which is wala siya, iyahang degree gyapon is 1 gyapon. Since ang iyahang exponential value is 1. So, dito lang ka magkuha sa degree sa katong naapoy highest order. So, kani, ang highest order kay kanimang second derivative of y, which is kani. So, diri ra pug ka magtan-aw sa iyahang degree order. So, for assignment, find order and degree of 1 d squared y over dx squared plus dy over dx minus 2y is equals to 0. Then, y is equals to 2x dy over dx plus y squared times dy over dx to the power of 3. Maghatag ko og para mas masabtan pa og para mas mapasabot pa sa inyo ha ang derivative, antiderivative og degree and order sa differential equation. Maghatag ko og mga link sa YouTube nga masabtan ra pud siya. So, for now, mo lang sana nga tong discussion. Then, we'll discuss na dayon first order of differential equation using separable variables and homogeneous nga method sa pag-solve sa first order of DE. So, sa next na pud siguro na nga meeting. So, for today, mo lang sana. Thank you everyone and have a great day.